India might soon be getting a brand new budget 5G smartphone from the house of Poco, and its name could be the Poco M3 Pro 5G. At least that's the name of the global variant. Hello everyone, my name is Aman Rashid, you're watching Mr. Phone, and today I've got some interesting news about the upcoming Poco M3 Pro 5G. But before we start, please go ahead and consider hitting that red subscribe button if you love our content, and if you haven't already, also press that bell icon so that you're notified whenever we post a brand new video. With that being said, let's get started. So up until now, it was looking like the Poco M3 Pro 5G could be launched as a rebranded Redmi Note 10 5G. At least that's what the leaks were showing us. But now that we have our hands on some new renders, looks like the Poco M3 Pro 5G could be slightly different from the Redmi Note 10 5G, at least in terms of looks. Also, the official global launch of the Poco M3 Pro 5G has been announced. It is set for May 19th. And as for the India launch, it was speculated that the phone will release in our country on the same day as the global release, but due to the pandemic situation, we'll have to wait for now because any Poco release that was planned for India in May has been postponed. So maybe we can see the Poco M3 Pro 5G released in June, but then again we'll have to wait and see. Now let's focus our attention on the design of the Poco M3 Pro 5G, and looking at these renders, it is evident that Poco decided to do something different. I mean, I like the bold and flashy approach that the brand has taken, and this black strip around the camera module with the Poco branding, I mean, I like it, especially the blue color of this phone. Now, if this design does turn out to be true, then I'm most looking forward to that blue shade of the Poco M3 Pro 5G. Apart from this, you can also make out that there's a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and the front camera situated in a center-aligned punch hole. So as for the confirmed specs, according to Poco Global's Twitter handle, the Poco M3 Pro 5G is going to feature a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display, a 90Hz display that is with what they are calling dynamic refresh rate. This means depending on what you are viewing on your screens, the display will be able to switch refresh rates between 30, 50, 60 and 90Hz automatically. As for the rear camera, there's a triple lens setup with the main camera being a 48 megapixel snapper. It is likely to be complemented by a couple of 2 megapixel depth and macro cameras. For the front, the smartphone may sport an 8 megapixel snapper for selfies and video calls. The battery is confirmed to be 5000 mAh, which is going to come with 18-watt fast charging support. So going by Poco's track record, expect good battery life and standby times from the smartphone. Now on to the most interesting bit is the presence of the new MediaTek Dimensity 700 SoC. Now we have seen the performance from Dimensity 800 and the Dimensity 1000 chipsets, so how good the Dimensity 700 chip is, only time will tell. Finally, coming to the variants, well, there's no official word as of now, but if we look at the Redmi Note 10 5G, that phone came in 3 different variants, and its starting price, if we look at the converted rates, that is, was about 14,000 rupees. So expect the Poco M3 Pro 5G to be launched under 15,000 rupees in India, and it may very well give a tough fight to the Realme 8 5G. And this is everything that you need to know about the Poco M3 Pro 5G smartphone. So guys, what do you think about this upcoming smartphone? Share all your thoughts with me in the comments below. As always, thanks a lot for watching guys, and for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Mr. Phone. See you guys in the next one. Stay safe and take care.